Hi there, my name is Jan Verhoeven, and today I'm going to show you this free Nifty tool called Lightshot. You can use Lightshot to screen capture and annotate, add arrows, circles, highlight, and so on, so that it makes your on-screen tutorials a lot easier for students to understand. So without further ado, welcome to my channel and enjoy the video. So this little tool right here is called Lightshot, and it's free. When you download it for either Windows or Mac and install it on your computer, I have a Mac, so it might look a little different for Windows, but what you'll see is it's this feather right here, and when you click it, what Lightshot will do is allow you to kind of capture anything on the screen. So for example, if I wanted to capture this screenshot, like so, I can do that. But the nice thing about Lightshot that I really like is that there's tools so that you can automatically edit while you're here. So for instance, if I'm creating a tutorial for my students to understand a program or something like that, I can take the circle and I can say circle my buttons, and then I can create an arrow. And then you can see there's a text tool. So I can actually write here, click here. And that makes it really easy then to annotate and do things like that with your screenshots. And then once you're done and you're happy with the way it looks, you can either upload it to the cloud, share it, or make a copy of it, or what I like to do is actually save it on my disk. And then that way it's saved as a JPEG file, and then I can pull it up whenever I need to. So anyways, Lightshot is extremely handy because you can save it in different formats, you can share it in different ways. It makes creating on-screen tutorials way easier for you. So I hope this helps, and I hope it's a useful tool to help with your online teaching. If you really like this video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be adding more online tips and tools as we go along, because right now, when we're all isolated in our houses, everybody could use a little bit of help, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if there are other things that you would like to see, other applications, questions, things like that, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.